Welcome everyone to another Jaltest Marine vlog. I'm going to be showing you how to connect and how to perform a gate position calibration on Sea-Doo jet skis. First, we need to press the jet ski picture or watercraft. We access the brand selection and we click Sea-Doo. Now we select the desired model. As we know, Jaltest Marine is Dynamics and all systems diagnostics tool, and we can connect to more than just the engine. In this case, the brake management and reverse gear system. By clicking into the connector symbol, it will take us to the plug selection. We have the first image that shows us the connector location, second, the connection image, third, the pinout detail, and fourth, the cables we need. We have different connection options depending on the link interface. If we are using the V8 link interface, the blue box, we have to use the JDC 600 plus JDC 602M or JDC 213M3 plus JDC 602A. And if we're using the V9 interface, the black and white box, we have to use the JDC 213.9 plus JDC 602A. Now we click connect. And now we will have access to the Diagnostics menu. We click here into calibration and then gate position. As we will be performing an action that needs to write on the ECM, we need the promo code. It's totally free. You can request it in your client area in our website jaltest.com. We select the box and we click accept. Step 1, as usual, initial information. This calibration must be performed in the following cases: new component, modification on installation, incorrect installation. Important note: check the freedom movement of all mobile parts. Check the reversing gate has not been hit and no objects block its operation. This is very important. Sometimes the gate gets hit and we need to perform a gate position calibration to fix it. Now we click accept. Now we have again new information, learning process for the operation values of the brakes and reverse buckets. The calibration process will start next and the components adaptation values will be adjusted. Press cancel if you do not want to perform this operation. This test is automatically controlled. Please wait until the process has finished. Very simple. We click accept. And that's it. As you have seen, Jaltest Marine guides you through the process with detailed information in order to perform every action correctly the first time. Thank you for watching and see you again very soon.